Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your Lovable website refuses to publish stuck on load-in publish button disabled, errors during updates or changes never going live, don't panic. In Lovable 2026, publishing failures are usually caused by unsafe changes, build errors, domain issues, cache, or CDN delays or conflicts from custom code. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to fix site not publishing in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So there are some common not publishing symptoms like publish button grayed out, publishing stuck on loading, publish failed or build error message, site publishes but old version shows, works in editor not live, and mobile version not updating. So publishing can fail if changes aren't saved. So click save, wait for confirmation, then click publish or update website. Always save and then publish, okay, in that order. So you can also refresh the editor and retry. So temporary UI glitches can block publishing. So reload the editor page, reopen your project, click publish again. This often clears stuck states. Okay, so use preview or detect errors. So before publishing, click preview. Okay, navigate through all pages, check forms, buttons, and links. And if preview breaks, publishing will likely fail. Okay, so disable or roll back recent custom code. So if you added custom code recently, it's a common cause. So undo the last code changes, remove recent script, revert to last working state, and try publishing again. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.